trade is open. We got small profit. Let's go, guys. Come on. Push it up. Yeah, $150, 200. Let's go. 380. Come on. 440. That's what we like. 480, and the position is closed. We done 2 quick trades. You see it's working perfectly to take profit. $1,000.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.
We can start from gold. Why not, guys? Gold is looking nice. In my opinion, we have a chance for some continuation on gold. We got some cross of our exponential moving averages, so things can change. And the important thing is the price got into liquid zone and nothing happened. The price just stopped here. That means probably that they still want to go higher. Okay, so maybe we're gonna look for some buy opportunities. Maybe let's have a look at 4-hour time frame. We need to be careful because we are at the moment at quite important zone. This is support resistance zone from higher time frame, so we need to be careful. Yes, this area right here. This area right here is quite important. The price stopped here, so there is also a chance that the price will drop down. But the only thing is we entered the liquid zone and nothing really happened. So if we look at higher time frame, the price went through some kind of trend line, which is okay. Let's check the current situation on gold. I mean lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So what do you think? What kind of day we are dealing with today? Is it range day, trend day? What do you think, guys? We're gonna have a look at price action cycle, and then I'm not sure about this if it's range, because range was for around 4 or 5 hours in the morning, but only here, this bit right here. But the price was dropping down since morning. Then they went opposite direction. So I think for me it's gonna be better probably to look for some long position on gold, especially that they got into liquid zone and nothing happened. So probably I will look for a trend day, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay on 5 minutes time frame, guys. Let's have a look. This is gonna be our first leg. We got impulse, so which start under exponential moving average. We went to the other side, and then we had some pullback. So our measure move finished over here, but the price went a little bit higher, which is okay. Look how this area is holding the price. So here the measure move was done. So we can look for third leg measure move, probably. We need to check this impulse right here. The lowest point of the pullback. Okay, so we are looking at this impulse and we need to find the pullback zone. This area right here is gonna be our pullback zone. Let me just remove some stuff from here. I don't need this. 5 minutes time frame. Oh, great. So this is our pullback zone. We can add some description. All right. Okay, so we know this is our pullback zone. And can we find any support resistance zone? It might help us to make a decision sometimes, or it can support the price. We got some local support resistance zone over here around 61.8, and another one is right here around 38.2. We don't have anything in the middle, around 50%. So these two areas probably it's gonna be okay for me. But we need to see some kind of pullback. If you want to find any rotation channel, probably it's gonna be hard because the price went through this rotation channel. If we're gonna mark it like this, the price was moving in some kind of rotation channel, but this is very tiny channel, so I don't mind. I can remove that. I don't need the channel to make decision, guys. So we need to wait for the price to drop down to the pullback zone, and we need to find out in which rotation are we at this moment. So we're gonna start from the beginning of the day. That's what we do, and this is our first rotation of the day, and it's confirmed, which is good. Another one we got here. This one is confirmed. Probably we can mark this one. I'm not sure if we can do it because the price we would have to do it like this. So this one is not confirmed, doesn't matter. Okay, so we're still looking for the bearish one. Not confirmed, no. Here the micro rotation is confirmed, so it's good. Now we are looking for a bullish one, which was probably around this area right here. And it was confirmed right in this place. Okay. And the thing is, we are waiting for bearish one, pullback, and the price to drop down. It's nice, but the price is going down. We are not looking for short position, but for long position. We are now in bearish rotation, so we can look what's going to happen in our pullback zone. If we're going to have bullish rotation, we're going to wait for the maybe first setup. We will see which one's going to work for us the best, and we may look for some kind of continuation on gold, because since morning the gold is moving up, which is good. We had some pullbacks. Now probably we need another pullback to our pullback zone, and then we're going to try to maybe enter the position. Maybe, we will see. So we are waiting for the price to drop to our pullback zone, okay, from price action cycle. So we're going to try to use this kind of setup maybe. I want to check also some fixed range volume profile. I don't mix this with price action cycle, but I want to check it because fixed range volume profile, I usually use it every single day, but I don't have any confirmations right here. Value area low, very okay. Not really. Here I got some kind of zone, but this is not important because it's not related to liquidity, so I don't care. Okay, so we're gonna leave it for now. Smart money concept setups, guys, using Asian session liquidity. The price got into session liquidity. We got Europe session also to be grabbed, liquidity from Europe session. So, you know, we've got some liquidity. The US didn't take it, so hopefully they're gonna move up and they're gonna grab it. Gold, there was reaction in our pullback zone, and we got beginning of micro rotation. So we're gonna we need another bullish candle. Then we need some kind of pullback, and the price close to above exponential moving average, and then we're gonna look for the trade. Maybe it's gonna be good if we're gonna retest this tiny small recent trend line, resistance line, and we're gonna have a reaction. We're gonna try to enter for continuation. When you look, guys, at this liquidity, what I was talking about, nothing happened here. I was expecting strong reaction. I was even in the trade over here, but I hit break even because I was entering trade somewhere around here. The price went down and came back up, and I closed it for break even. There were it was taking too long. Oh, gold is quite fast, guys. 110 pips, one candle. Nice. Okay, we definitely got bullish rotation, but we need some pullback, guys, at least to exponential moving average, unless they're gonna go straight up. The impulse was a little bit too strong, guys, for me. We can make some fun, why not? We got some nice setup using point of control. Quite risky one, so I'm not gonna risk too much on this one, all right? Now I'm gonna jump into 1 minute time frame. Fixed range volume. Okay. We got these zones right here. We need to wait a few more minutes. There is opportunity every like 15 minutes for me, okay? Pablo got some other setups, but for me, every 15 minutes, there is a chance to open the trade. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, still got like 5-7 minutes to look for the trade. So we're gonna check that for sure. It's 3:05. In 25 minutes, stock market is opening. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to wait another 15 minutes because here there's no chance to open the trade right now. Unfortunately, no. Guys, probably we're gonna wait another 10-15 minutes for another chance for 1 minute time frame to have some fun. Maybe gold using 1 minute time frame, but we need to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around 3-4 minutes, maybe 5. We'll see. I'm gonna put it on the side. Okay, limit order is set, and it's gonna activate soon. 1-to-1, $500 to get. Just waiting for activation. If the price will go up, I will remove it. So it's pending order right now. If they're gonna go up, I don't care. Small move. This is 1 minute time frame, so you know, take profits or stop loss gonna come very quick. The position is not activated yet, so you know, we are close to stop loss, but nothing's happening because it's not open. Trade is not open. It's not activated. Now it can change. If next candle is gonna go up, I will remove it. I don't care. If this candle won't open my position, I will remove it. We got 40 seconds for the stock market to open. Maybe they're gonna move the price of gold a little bit. Who knows? Come on. 30 seconds. And if the price will not move down, I will remove it, guys. I will close it. Yes. Go. Trade is open, which is good. And let's wait for full take profit. Trade is open, a quick one. Hopefully we're gonna get to take profit also very quick. Like you can see, position is open. We are trying to get $500. This trade is more for fun, guys. I'm not sure if this is strategy. This kind of setups are working pretty nice, but the risk to reward is only 1-to-1. Sometimes 1-to-2, but depends on the conditions. Usually take profit comes very quick, but usually sometimes I think last week I was waiting nearly 1 hour for the small setup, to get to full take profit because gold stuck in the range for 1 hour. So yeah, usually it's quick, but sometimes you have to wait a little bit longer. We got some small profit. Price is heading to take profit, which is good. Come on, few more pips, guys. Few more pips. Let's go. I'm not changing stop loss, break even. No, it's still take profit or stop loss, guys. Nearly there. I'm nearly full take profit. Come on. Few more pips, guys. Let's push it down. Come on. We just need few pips. One nice candle. One bearish candle. And we're going to have nice profit. Gold, they want to go down. They looks like they want to go down. And they are going down. Nice. $340, $390. Come on. Just few more pips. Yes, 380, 400. Let's go. 450. Few more pips. 470. Come on. Just a little bit more, guys. Just a little bit. Come on. Yes. 460. And we got... Nope. It didn't close because of the spread. I supposed to close it. I could close it by myself, but it's okay. They should do it. 460, 514. I'm gonna close it. I close it and they reverse a little bit. That's okay. $466. It's not that bad for the quick one. The quick trade took us only a few minutes. Profit is profit, so I can't complain. Maybe it's not $5,000, but $460. If there's nothing to do on the market, sometimes these setups, they can give us nice profits, especially when conditions are a bit tough. You see, that's good that I close it because the price is reversing. The trade didn't close just because of the spread, so I closed it by myself, and I think it was good decision. $466. Nice. All right. On gold, we might have another chance for another $500. A few more minutes, guys. We're gonna wait and we will see. This month is good because we got $30,000 this month, so it's much better than the previous month. Because on the previous month was around 13,000, was it? Let me check. 1st of May to the end, $22,000. $22,000 in May, and now in June we got 30, and we still got a few days left. So 2, maybe 3 more minutes. I'm gonna prepare account. Gold 0.05 and points we got. Let's see. Okay, put it on the side so I can watch it. Okay, let's try the last trade and we're gonna finish for today, guys. Let's see if this trade can activate or not. Yeah, it's activated. Let me just move take profit for $500 and let's wait and see. It doesn't matter if you're gonna hit stop loss or take profit. Probably we're gonna finish unless US 500 is gonna reach any of those zones, liquid zones, and they are still not doing that. All right, trade is open. We got small profit. Let's go, guys. Come on, push it up. Yeah, $150, 200. Let's go. 380. Come on, 440. That's what we like. 480, and the position is closed, guys. Another take profit, quick one. Another $500. This is so easy, guys. 500. So in total, we got nearly $1,000. 2 quick ones. We done 2 quick trades. You see, it's working perfectly. 2 take profits, $1,000. Could be much more, but these ones are trades with the small risk, so $1,000. I'm happy with that anyway.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.